It rained last night. Actually, it's still sprinkling too. It's really wet. Ricky Dale called me this morning and said that his rain gauge had 1 inch and 4/10. So I am very curious to see what mine has. Mine has... What is this? If that's right, that should be... What, 7/10, 8/10? So, not as much as his, but however, it could be that rain gauge too. I could have just gotten as much as he did, but... Yeah, okay, got my rain suit on. Now I have to get this thing off the trailer. The reason I have to get on the four-wheeler, for one, I don't want to make gigantic mud tracks for it. Two, it rains so much, we can actually shut this sprinkler off. A couple of them, actually, we'll just have to take our time. Ricky Dale. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm very nervous about this still. 1 second. Just kind of poke this hole out so this will drain. Yeah, that should work. Alright. Just turn this fuel valve on. Have power. Choke. No. Uh-oh. That looks cool. Alright, let's see if I can do this. Yeah, it's pretty wet. had to be more than 7/10. Good glory. Am I muddy? I can't tell. I know my glasses are muddy. Good. 7 more. So on the plus side, I made it back to my pickup, and I just looked at myself in the mirror, and man, I am dirty. I don't know how this is gonna work. I've got to go to. Oh, come on! Get moving. There we go, come on. I've never really pulled a trailer in the mud before, and I've got to go to another sprinkler. At least it's on the highway. That's all I can say. My camera is covered in mud. My little LCD, whatever, camera screen on the back of this thing is all muddy and stuff, and I'm pretty sure. Oh, mine isn't that bad. Another advantage of having a waterproof camera is you can wash it off whenever it gets covered in mud. This should be interesting, I'm not gonna lie. Just for, I guess, my convenience, I'm going to, unless I get stuck, I guess I'll see you guys on the highway, so wish me luck. I made it! Awesome! Alright, let's put this neutral, 2-wheel drive. That was rather loud. Okay, well I guess we're good. Turn your overdrive on. Nobody coming? Good. Yeah. I'd say it's gonna rain a little while longer. Which I am fine with. It never rains here. We've been in a drought for the last 15 years. Kind of sucks. Yeah, sorry I didn't film the end of the sprinkler. It was starting to get a lot heavier in the rain, and I really didn't feel like sitting there talking to a damn camera. So I've parked over here in my pickup, and yeah, we're just waiting for the sprinkler to remove. It's not to the point where I can shut it off yet. So as soon as I decide to get out the pickup and see if I can go shut the damn sprinkler off, this happens. And I ain't riding the four-wheeler like this. I just ain't gonna do it. Okay, to be honest, I've actually done this before, but it was at 11 o'clock at night. You imagine running at 11 o'clock at night with pissy-ass headlights on that thing? I had a mag light, and I was just holding it like that, driving down the dark, muddy roads, shutting off oils like this. I wasn't even shutting it off, just the power went out, and I was making sure nothing fried. Man, it is picking up. I don't know if you can see the size of them drops. That is crazy. Dang. No, this is awesome. Hey, on the plus side, maybe it'll wash my four-wheeler off. That's awesome. Oh, it looks like, it sounds like it's slowing down already. Texas rain, man. Texas rain. I don't know. I guess I'll just sit here for a little while longer. You know, it's funny. I was parked at Ricky Dale's house, and to get back in my pickup, and he left me Coke and chocolate. Oh, that's cool. He'd already taken off by then, but yeah, I am trying to break my habit of recording and driving at the same time, so I'm putting the damn camera down now. It's just pouring outside.
Whatever you want. Huh? No, but if you want something, I'll give you something. Are you sure? Alright then. Yeah, I'll probably have a blown fuse or well.
Michael, your wells are gonna be dead again, just watch. I can wait.
Yeah.
I know, right?
I mean, I want to be on YouTube.
Huh?
I want to be on YouTube.
Okay, say hi.
What's up, 7 subscribers?
It's actually 10 now.
You say? 7 subscribers.
That's nice.
Yeah.
It's washing off Michael's 4-wheeler. All that dirt on it.
You start putting pranks on YouTube.
Huh?
Start putting pranks on
I
YouTube.
was thinking about it.
I got a lot of them.
Yeah.
I'm glad yesterday I got him good. He was taking a shit. He was coming out of the restroom. And I told my brother and
I just saw lightning.
They record it.
That's awesome.
And I got him in the headlock after that.
You need to knock him over in the porta potty at Clay's corner.
Well, I would. He'd be pissed. If I didn't take a shit at that porta potty in Clay's corner.
Say hi.
And go push him over. Y'all the water
It
coming
just
out of his
flipped me
shit,
off.
his foot hit,
Oh shit.
sticking out. Oh,
You bitch!
ugh.
They cleaned that one a lot though.
Yeah, it's fucking smells too.
The one at Clay's?
Yeah.
It's twice a week. Or not twice a week. Once every 2 weeks. I know, because I see that guy out there all the time. He don't even wear gloves when he's out there, because he knows nobody's going in there. Yeah. Damn. Here, hold on. I'm going to do this.
Just in the camera.
Forward. All wet.
Camera.
Nah, you're fine. Look at all that water over there. God, you imagine how it would have been before they worked on the parking lot?
Yeah, remember that whole freaking...
Yeah, it was like almost to the back of Sean's truck, all the way over there would just be a lake like that deep.
Damn.
Yeah.
Dude, where is yours? I
What?
never find it.
Just that.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, and then just go here. Huh. I should have said it's all one word. That's cool.
Yeah.
That is a lot of damn water.
Yeah.
We got all these freaking leaks in the barn.
Oh yeah.
Over there, over there. There's some over there, in the back. Leaks.
Yeah.
Oh, there's one right there on the. Oh, it's actually. No, actually leaking. Huh?
We're looking to redo the chair if they want.
Probably. No, I can see it from here. No.
Fuck, I'm not even paying him shit. He needs to do it for free.
Damn, it got heavier.
What got heavier?
Hey, don't feel too bad if your truck don't start. I gotta jump mine. I left the headlights on this morning. Yeah. Yeah. It's just here.
I think you are gonna go home and roast it because I think if you wouldn't have Rick would have already done it.
Yeah. I don't know what time it is.
You would have gone to lunch already.
Yeah. I hate how long this damn thing takes to focus. I'll keep it here for like forever. Still don't focus.
Yeah. I think if we drying up after lunch, it'll fail.
Bullshit, man.
They can clean right there.
No, I'm good. I'll stay right here.
I thought it was rain suit on.
Yeah, well, yeah, Michael still has his rain suit on. He can go out there.
There's fucking mist coming out of the fucking trucks over.
Damn, are you serious?
You're fucking big. Oh, fuck you. I want to fucking see that. What do you think?
I'm passing some of these dirt roads, and it's incredible how much water is flowing out of them. I mean, it's definitely flash flooding around here. Definitely. I have to drive really slow right now because, you know, I'll drive along and there'll be a section of road that is just covered in water. I've seen cars on the side of the ditches already. See, there's all that water over there. I've seen cars on the side of the road, and they can't go any further because their car is probably starting to flood in there, and it's getting bad out here. See, truck is over there. I'll slow down a little bit. Nobody's behind me right now, so I'll slow down a little bit. Maybe you guys can see how much water is coming out of one of these roads, because it is immense. You can see the ditch right there. Whoa, man, that is a lot of water. And I realized, like, yeah, I've seen the videos of like southern Texas where it's taking houses away or it's flooding so damn bad. But for us in the northern panhandle, this is a lot of rain. This is a good amount of rain. It doesn't rain here at all very often. Here's another road. See, that one's completely covered. That one's flooded all the way down, which doesn't give me a lot of hope for my road. I'll tell you that much right now. What might end up happening is I'll park my truck at the yard and end up taking the four-wheeler in, because I know that'll make it. I wasn't thinking about it. I mean, I wasn't really concerned about it until now. I might have to just dump the four-wheeler at the yard, because it's going to be difficult to get in with a trailer. Okay. Normally I would grab my cooler. I'm saying screw it today. Close! Okay, that's right. Let's quickly. I want to see how much we've gotten so far. God damn! Did I dump it this morning? I don't remember. That says 1 inch. Okay. Okay. With as wet as it is out here, I believe 1 inch. I don't know. I have to check the footage this morning, because I honestly don't remember if I turned it off or not. I'm going through the back door today. Screw it. Alright, I'll see you guys later.
Oh, here she comes!
Hi, little girl.
Careful!
Hi.
Show Daddy how you go in there.
Is that all of them?
Yeah.
Really?
Surprisingly enough, yes.
Wow, that's 100 balls? It doesn't look
the
like...
ones that were already in there.
Wow. Hi, you having fun with your ball pit?
I have to bring it in here because she wanted to play in it.
Aww. Yeah. Are you cute, little girl?
Yeah. What'd she do?
Scrunch face.
Oh, cute.
Oh, okay, now she's gonna steal the camera from me.
She's covering up her phone.
I know. Little girl, you gotta move your hand.
Move your thumb, baby.
There you go.
There you go. Right there.
Oh, she's like, I'm done with it.
She throw it or hand it to you?
She just put it down.
Oh.
What are you playing with, little girl? No, you can't play with those.
They're clean.
I know, but do you care?
No, not really. Just don't let her chew them.
Okay. She's like, I'm done with those.
She's like, I don't know. Here you go, Daddy. Say here, Daddy. Allie Bug, those are for cleaning the floor. Look!
No, no.
Look!
Allie Bug.
Ah! Oh no! Attacking the monkey! Okay, maybe not. What happened? Allie Bug.
She's watching her shows.
Be careful. She steps on a ball and she ends up sliding.
Hi, Bug, are you cute?
What'd she just throw?
I think a ball.
No, it wasn't a ball. Oh, it was a piece of thread.
Hi, Bug, are you cute? So I've been home for a few hours now. I came home at 12 and it's almost 8 now. And I figured that since we just put Allie down to bed, I would come outside really quick and check my rain gauge and then show you how much water is on my road, because it is insane. And that is an insane amount of water. That's almost 2.5 inches. Almost 2.5 damn inches of water. Damn. Well, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and empty this out. That is a lot of water. Go ahead and empty that out. The last time this road flooded like this was like, okay, it's pretty muddy. I'm gonna get on my lawn. Last time my road flooded like this was like 2 years ago. So you can see it all the way down there. It's all the way up there. I'll try to get down a little bit lower. Oh. That is crazy. And I've walked through this before, right here. It is strong. I'm not sure it would be as strong as it was last time I walked through it, but I can guarantee you it's got a strong current to it, especially because we're all this is going downhill. If I can zoom in, all the way down there past that tree, it turns into a giant lake bottom. This thing ever decides to focus. So I can get it to. There it goes. Kind of. Any second. There it goes. Okay, yeah, past that tree over there, you can kind of see, but it's already starting to turn into a lake over there. That is part of the road that you definitely don't want to go down. Me and my wife walked it last year. Okay. It is a lot of water. It's all over there. It's crazy. It's a crazy amount of water. At least it'll be good for my grass. I know it's all weeds over here, but whenever I moved in here, these weeds were as tall as I am. I'm 5'8". Some of them were taller, so I'm having hell getting all this grass in here. All this stuff I planted whenever we moved in a couple of years ago. It's coming in nicely. That'll be good for it. Hey, Athena. I'm going to take this opportunity to go ahead and sign out, but if you're liking the video so far, I know I've only posted it for a few, I don't know, a week or two. If you're liking them, like them, share them, subscribe. That's so insincere. But seriously though, if you share the video, then if each one of my followers or subs shares the video, then that could double or even triple the subscriptions, which I'm cool with. It means I will be more motivated to make more videos, which is good because I like making videos. It's entertaining to me. I guess it's relaxing. And it just gives me something to do. Something fun. Kind of seems rewarding. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.